Hi guys, I just this is really awkward because today I just went to the weather and I just noticed we're gonna have a snowstorm. You know how storm can be a very mixed blessing? Well, we're gonna have a winter storm this close, like where we are. It's like a few miles away from here in Texas, San Antonio. So if you live near close us, so you got to be very careful because there's going to be a winter storm and it's going to be real cold, and it's going to be there for tomorrow and on Monday and Tuesday through there 6 p.m. So if I were you, if you live close to me, I wouldn't go outside if I were you, because I really wanted to go outside, but there's going to be a snowstorm, so stay safe, okay?